How to add services and the primary categories to your Google My Business account. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the step by step process. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the my Chrome browser. First you need to log in with your account. Just log in with your account, Google account, which is associated with your business, Google My Business. And now what you need to do, search here for My Business, then your listing will become up like this. Okay, and now we need to go in view profile. So this is my profile, you can see. Okay, so in order to add the edit and categories and services, we need to click here, which is edit services option. Okay, if you don't find here, you can see the down arrow at the your right side. Just click on it and you can see your edit services. Even you don't find this option, it is this option, it is depends on your business categories. Okay, if you don't find this option, then I will show you later. First I'm going to show you this option, how you can use it. Okay, just click on edit and services here, and this is my primary categories, which is marketing agency, and this is my services. Okay, under this categories, so I can add services under the categories. As I add here, this is my another categories, primary additional categories, and under these categories I can add services more from here. If you want to add more additional categories, so you can add from here. Okay, just search for category marketing or what, and here you can add your services. This is all your services. Okay, this is all your services. Okay, you can also add your custom service if you want, anything if you want, and just click on save. After you save, it is look like this. Yeah, this is it will be show your primary categories. Under this you can see your services. Okay, under these services you can add your price, your service price, and you can also add description, and you can delete from service from here. You can also delete from here. Okay, now if you don't find this option, if your categories, your business categories is different, like you are shop, like your sometimes like you other like restaurant and all, then you can select your edit your categories from here. Go to the edit profile, and under you can see this is a business category. I can see under about, so I can click on this pencil icon and I can add my primary categories, and this is my additional categories, and I also add another categories. If you want, I can add from here. Okay, you have to just search for and search your related categories from in here, and you need to select from down suggested categories only. Okay, and just save it. So that is how you can add the categories and services to your business profile. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.